and count over here. This is the part 3 of the trick, and yes, this is the final part. And you see right here, there's a bunch of tree birds on the other side of here. Well, and over here in the middle section is a little treasure that follow. And in the park area, if you zoom in, like I showed you. Oops, give us the time. Yeah, right here. That's the big tree branch I fall up. And look at that gate over there in the tennis racket. Let's walk over there, shall we? See, look. Wow, this one has damaged a big gate. And this week, and that's all I had to say about it. Well, I'll see you someday. I can upload more videos. See you next time. Bye bye.